recent exhibitions have started after some gap. What is your opinion about the role of physical exhibitions? Do you feel they are important platform to grow your business?
So physical exhibitions are much important. They cannot be replaced. A lot of experiment has been done through virtual exhibitions and all. We have participated in, since last 1 year, we are participating in all kind of virtual exhibitions. But we can see that there is a lot of difference. Though virtual seems to be a little cheaper or something of that kind, but that cannot be replaced.
Being the first major international show with the international participation, if everything goes well, this will definitely going to help other organizers and other trade bodies also to come forward and organize the event. There was a myth in the minds of the people that flights are restricted, the visas are not being issued. It's not like that. The government is quite supportive. They are giving visas for the event, and the flights are operating. Otherwise, we could not have buyers from 53 countries. So it's just that somebody has to take a bold step and ready to put some extra effort.
Exhibition is as usual. Rather, I can say there's more enthusiasm for buying, there's more enthusiasm for connectivity, and I'm quite sure if this tempo is continued, then this is a very good sign for the entire industry. It's a beginning, but I think we are going now to a very normal process. But please keep in mind safety first.
Today we are at India Expo Mart to cover the 4th edition of Indus Food 2021. This is the first major event at India Expo Mart since the start of pandemic last year. We are very excited to be at a physical event after so long. Well friends, we have over 400 exporters who are participating in Indus Food 2021 and more than 700 global hosted buyers from over 50 countries which are participating here. This is really exciting. The physical events have started to happen again. So as you just saw, that you can see here for the protocol for the other people also, everybody's temperature is being checked at the entry itself, and this is not the entry to the event hall. This is the entry to the venue. The good point about India Expo Mart is that it has everything in its place and all the facilities are there. We have a very dedicated zone for the parking which is there at the site, and hassle-free parking has been arranged for. So behind me is the dedicated registration area, and the registration has been segmented for the exhibitors, visitors, and then we have registration area for the VIP, media and other delegates. Here we can see that there is a special zone where we have a testing center for the international visitors who are coming here, and a rapid testing facility has been set up by the venue and the organizers. As I mentioned to you earlier that the safety and security is of prime concern for the organizers and the venue. We see such ambulances standing at the venue at various places, and we have a dedicated COVID center here, an isolation ward which has been built by the organizers and the venue to make sure that anybody who is having some kind of a symptoms or some So we can see that there are strict entry protocols here which are being followed, and every visitor, every exhibitor that is entering the hall has to go through mandatory temperature checks, and then once everything is okay, then they are going to be issued a all safe badge which is going to be provided to them, and they have to wear it on their wrist. We've been provided a hygiene kit that is being given to all the visitors who are entering the event site. This hygiene kit is wonderful. It's a good innovation. We have a hand sanitizer bottle here. We have a good quality mask which is being provided to everybody, and then we have some disinfectant wipes which are also being provided. And I am sure that these kind of measures build a lot of confidence amongst the participants who are going to come here.
At the onset, let me take this opportunity to welcome Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, Minister of State, MSME.
Buyers from over 52 countries. This is a great event in itself. This is a wonderful incident, and I congratulate the organizers for all this.
Before entering the hall, one has to get scrutinized here by the registration staff once again, and a lot of technology is being used here to make sure that the right kind of people are entering in the halls. We are now inside the halls. This is the main exhibition area where the actual action is happening, and you can see a lot of business meetings happening here. A lot of live physical meetings have started to happen. Business is being talked, and a lot of interactions are taking shape here, and I'm quite impressed to see the kind of footfall that the event has been able to garner. We are now with one of the exhibitors here at the Indus Food, and we'll talk to him about what are his expectations from an event like Indus Food.
Yeah, I am Vijay Agarwal from Bharat International, and Bharat International is a part of Pansari Group, and Indus has helped us a lot. Right from the start, we are part of it, and we are exhibiting. This is our third year, and this is helping us a lot. We are missing some Indian buyers, some buyers from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, but still the crowd from other countries is there. It seems to be a good crowd. Let's hope for the best. We are hoping a good business this year.
Okay, and we see that now the physical events and exhibitions have started after some gap. What is your opinion about the role of physical exhibitions? Do you feel they are important platform to grow your business?
So physical exhibitions are much important. They cannot be replaced. A lot of experiment has been done through virtual exhibitions and all. We have participated in, since last 1 year, we are participating in all kind of virtual exhibitions. But we can see that there is a lot of difference. So, though virtual seems to be a little cheaper or something of that kind, but that cannot be replaced.
Hello, I am Anupam. I am from Ahmedabad and I represent Ramdev Food Products Private Limited. We have been participating in this particular exhibition, that is Indus, and we have been really encouraged. Every time we come here, we feel that, yeah, we are benefited. It's a lovely convention, it's a lovely place to meet the prospective buyers. Overall, the organization of this particular exhibition is also far superior. We have also participated in Gulf Food, Dubai, but I wouldn't compare that with this. However, this is equally good, and I think that this show should continue for a very long year. Wish you good luck.
I am Jaykumar Gupta, CEO of Suppletech Company. We are exhibiting here in this Indus Food, and we see it's very well organized, and we are seeing the many buyers from many countries here, and we expect the good response from the buyers which are here from many countries.
And show is good. We have benefited in previous show also. I guess because of the COVID, it has got restricted exhibitors. But what we get, the buyers here are one of the best, the real genuine buyers, and it is really helpful for the industry. And we are looking forward for such more shows down the line.
We are from Nepal, Kathmandu, and this is the second time we've been coming for Indus Food. And last time when we had come to Indus Food, it was a great event because in Nepal, a lot of things, right from your plant and machinery to your chemicals to everything is being supplied from India. So this event was a platform which we really enjoyed. And this year, because of COVID, we thought that whether this event would be there or not, but we really thank the Indian government and TBCI, of course, for this great event. And we look forward to have a good business with India. Thank you so much.
We enjoyed, and this is the successful business concept.
The quality of buyer and suppliers is really commendable.
Special protocols have also been adhered to in regards to food whatever food and catering is being done at the event, a lot of precautions are being taken care of.
Here what we have done, we have created a QR based platform which enables everyone to order contactless. So what you have to do, first I'll show you what provision we have made for the stalls. Stalls have been covered completely with the sneeze guard that it keeps distance between the customer and the stall operator. Now here that is the cash counter or the help desk which helps you while you use this contactless ordering. So you can see we have mentioned the steps also. Everyone comes here and scan the QR code, and after the scanning the QR code, the whole menu opens in a web browsing, and then accordingly he chooses the items and he pays by any digital method, which makes it totally contactless, because after ordering it he gets a flash message that yes, your food is ready.
And congratulations for hosting this first major physical event since the COVID. What is your feedback? How is the overall response?
We are really honored to be able to have more than 700 buyers from 53 countries who have landed to India. And they are now having meetings with the Indian businessmen. We have more than 300 exhibitors who are exhibiting in food and beverage sector. We have state participation from Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Haryana and Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Then we have all the major boards like EPIDA, Tea Board, Coffee Board, Spices Board here with their member exporters. Also we have FSSAI, the food regulators in India, here having their booth as well. We have big brands here. We have Indian ethnic products, spices, tea, coffee, rice, processed foods, everything being showcased here. We have more than 15 official delegations from different countries, starting from Egypt to Turkey to Russia, Uzbekistan, Belarus. We have delegation from Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Nepal, and many others. So till now, it looks encouraging. Some big ticket buyers, they are also here. We have big supermarket chains. If you name Lulu, if you name Nesto, if you name Al Safir.
Sir, you have taken some extra precautions for the health and safety of all the participants. What are the key highlights and key measures you have adopted here?
See, what we have done is, if you have seen entering the venue, if you have seen it, we try to follow the COVID directives of the government. Plus, we have added certain things which are not there in the directive as well. Like all the people who are coming to India, they have, as per the government directive, they have to be COVID negative, and they have followed the quarantine rules as per the prescribed norms as well. Apart from this, we have a RT-PCR test center here, 24/7. Anybody who is not feeling well, they can go to the isolation room. They can get their COVID test done. We are allowing only the proper after proper screening only for the temperature and everything. And we are trying to maintain the social distancing here. Without mask, we are not allowing anyone in the show floor or in the venue. Being the first major international show with the international participation, if everything goes well, this will definitely going to help other organizers and other trade bodies also to come forward and organize the event. There was a myth in the minds of the people that flights are restricted, the visas are not being issued. It's not like that. The government is quite supportive. They are giving visas for the event, and the flights are operating. Otherwise, we could not have buyers from 53 countries. So it's just that somebody has to take a bold step and ready to put some extra effort.
So we are honored to be with the man the chairman of India Expo Mart Limited, the man who has made it possible for the Indian exhibition industry to restart again, and he has played a very positive role. Sir, thank you for your role for the Indian exhibition industry, and we want to congratulate you for hosting this first ever event after the pandemic. It's a major event, sir. What is your feedback and what are your comments on this?
Thank you very much, Mr. Khosla, for coming here. This is the very first event post-pandemic. I can rather say still there's a fear of pandemic all around. But now the business is as usual here. The most important part is that everybody is fully compliant. This is the very first physical show that is being held after a span of around 14 months in this complex, and I hope this is the first event in the country as a physical B2B event that is taking place here in India. One of the most important feature of the event is that the buyers are all overseas. There are over 700 overseas buyers who are representing the large companies, Hyperlulu Market and many more, and large companies from US, from Europe, from Middle East, from Gulf, from Africa, from Asia. So they are here. We have a very strict compliance from the entry gate till the booth. Even the buses are fully sanitized. There's a proper procedure in the buses. The people, those are coming, there's a seating process. One seat is to be kept vacant. Similarly, at the entry, everybody's temperature is checked, and then sanitization process is done. Honorable Union Minister of MSME, Shri Pratap Chand Sarangi, opened this event today along with the Development Commissioner, MSME Government of India. There are very large number of exhibitors present, 400 exhibitors, they are present here. TPCI is holding this exhibition, Trade Promotion Council of India, and exhibition is as usual. Rather, I can say there's more enthusiasm for buying, there's more enthusiasm for connectivity, and I'm quite sure if this tempo is continued, then this is a very good sign for the entire industry. It's a beginning, but I think we are going now to a very normal process, but please keep in mind safety first.
So finally we are with the man, Mr. Sudeep Sarkar, CEO of India Expo Mart. He's been very busy, he's been very occupied, but we have requested him to give us a moment to help us understand that, hosting such a successful event after a long gap, a lot of the credit goes to the venue and being the CEO of this venue. So what are your comments? What went before the preparations for this hosting such kind of a wonderful event?
Thank you. With the God's grace, we have been able to start. It is the entire exhibition industry that is getting a start. It has already started in Bangalore, Bombay, followed by Delhi. We are doing it here, and in the Delhi also there are parallel events going on. So it's a good sign for the industry, for the first. Second, you asked about how it all started. It started with the government regulations, and the regulations were issued for the organizers, for the venues, for the service providers, and for the food service providers as well. So the entire venue you would have already seen. You would have collected some good vibes from the people. There are a lot of other organizers who have also come and given their feedback. It could happen only because what we did, a combined stakeholder meeting with the organizer, with the exhibitor, prominent exhibitors, service providers, and the food service providers to come together and discuss what are the guidelines issued and how effectively it can be implemented at the venue. See, the guidelines are there for all venues, but all venues are different, but the guidelines need to be implemented. So we found very positive comments and feedbacks and guidelines, plans for implementing those government guidelines at the venue, and we prepared the action plan. Action plan was reviewed periodically. All stakeholders gave in writing a declaration that yes, they will follow through, and we were also one of that. And then all efforts put together, you were able to see that the venue has come alive again. The events have started happening, and there is, with God's wish again, good positive vibes across the industry. This is what we need to maintain now, and through you, Raghav, we need to propagate this to the Indian Exhibition Industry Association and the members, so that they see each step what we have done and how we can sustain it. That's another very important thing. And then we have to roll. What we need to do as an IAEA Vice President, I am trying to convey this message from the venue as well as an organizer, is that we need to handhold each other. We need to inspire each other. We need to give confidence into each other. Because shows have started, we are seeing the response. The physical is going to stay, and if we can reach out to all our exhibition organizers as a venue and exhibition organizers to their exhibitors, I'm sure the ecosystem will again restart and restart with a boom.